NASCAR come on tonight. I think it started at 8 or 7. I can't remember. I was watching practice today. Blinking?
What?
Blinking?
Yeah.
All right. You want to go that way?
Right here.
Yeah, this is easier. Oh God, Mr. 305, man. Turning right, cars turning right.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Whoa, what the fuck is he doing? I was on the phone with my mom today. She was like, you gotta stop cursing in your videos.
She said she's on video you?
No, she said I gotta stop cursing in my videos. I'm just like, the stuff you see out here, look at that. The stuff you see out here is just like, come on, like,
oh yeah.
you know, it's just crazy. Like, you have your life right now, 2 seconds later, it's gone. You know?
Yeah, like, yeah, motherfuckers are just like out there for themselves.
Yeah, like, I don't know what they're thinking, if they are thinking. Yeah, so I fixed up my girlfriend's bike. I put back on the stem, set the gears the brake properly, so she in good shape. Now we passed it. Yeah, we're gonna make a left here. Yeah, we're not too far. It's all right. We're gonna make a left here. Yeah.
All right. Make it tight because I'm gonna go.
Yep. All right. Yeah.
What time we meet up? All right. We've only been out for. We met 35 minutes ago.
Okay. Yeah. This is Franklin here, so that'll take us back south.
All the way back.
Yeah. All right.
That's good.
Go ahead, go ahead. It's this way?
Well, now we're on this Parkway.
Oh, okay. I always get confused anyway.
Yeah, the service room would be better. I mean, it seems like it.
Oh, wow. There we go. Let's go, pedal to the metal. Playing chicken on the road with 305, man.
Back to where it all began.
Yep. Got a couple extra miles out of it, right? You guys good over there?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah.
Yo, I see this guy in the morning all the time.
Sick fucking way.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that guy blazing up the hill in the morning, man.
You race him?
Hell no. I ain't trying to get embarrassed out here.
He's already fucking all the way up there.
Yeah, can you imagine him going down the hill?
Yeah.
Look, you don't even see him no more. He out.
Oh, no, that motherfucker's gone.
I mean, coming around here, I'll be kind of scared of these corners, but, you know.
This guy's got a nice fucking
Yeah. The Giant. It's a good ride. Here we go, daily 30.
What, you hit 30 miles an hour?
Yeah. Yeah, we had to tap brakes right there, but we hit 31 coming down. Yeah, I hit 30. I wasn't even trying. Yeah, usually in the evening, I got pushed hard and maybe I hit 27, 28.
You just hit 30 right now?
Yeah, I got 31.
Whoa.
There we go, fat bike up ahead. I like this one. That's my next ride right there. Yo, when it snows, gonna be like, did you take the bike in?
Did you take the bike in?
Yep.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, check it out right here.
And he's just gonna die.
Yeah, we're holding good speed right here, 18 and a half. Not even pushing hard.
Yeah, speak for yourself. Your bike is fucking silk.
Your clothing count a lot, man, believe it or not.
Say what?
Your clothing.
Clothes?
Yeah. Take it easy, take it easy. Come and laugh. Yeah, when I go to work, it'd be hard for me to ride in that commuting clothes. See how your shirt is all flapping and all that? That's keeping you back. In your cargo shorts. When you bring your thigh up, all that air goes through you. So that's slowing you down.
Okay.
But you know, you go and
No, hell yeah. If you're doing like a 20-mile ride, I agree.
Yeah.
And these little ones, you know, you just fight through it.
Yeah, you just fight through it. Like going to work 6 miles, I'll fight through it. Some dudes that come out here on Wednesdays, they draft 20 deep.
Woo. Morning?
Nah, like 6:30 on Wednesdays.
Night.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. At nighttime.
Yeah. And they'll go to maybe 8 or so. Maybe shorter this time of the year, but you know, they're a cool group, man. As long as you can keep up with them, they're pretty inclusive.
What are they averaging?
Like 20, 19, yeah, around there. But you're drafting, so
yeah,
no problem. Got a Strava segment right there. $24, $25. Got 31 that time. Clear over 31.
You keep up on picking up speed even after you stop pedaling?
No, like when I'm towards the end, I'll just like give it a little more gas. All right, watch this car here.
Oh, it's crashing off the street?
Yeah.
We ain't over there. And he goes faster than someone on a road bike.
Yeah.
Like, you know, nearly like up and down a hill. Like he'll do it faster than him.
Right.
Which is ridiculous.
Yeah, some of the movies just piss me off, man. Like Talladega Nights. I'm a huge NASCAR fan. A lot of that stuff just was not realistic in that movie.
But Talladega Nights is supposed to be like, it's not like fantasy. It's like,
no, it's supposed to be real.
Right.
You know, it's not like a fantasy movie. It's supposed to be like a real shit.
Right.
Like a car in reverse cannot go faster than a car going forward if all 4 gears are being used, you know? It's not happening. And then like they would be at one racetrack and they would take clips from several racetracks. Like if you're a NASCAR fan, you could identify these tracks real easily. Then they will be at Talladega. This is like where it really pisses me off. They'll be at Talladega. Talladega, you hold the gas 100% around the whole track. You don't brake or anything. And
never brake.
You never brake. Full 100% gas around the whole track. In 4th gear, doing 9,000 RPM. And in the movie, he's upshifting, downshifting. I'm like, to go faster? I'm like, that don't make any sense. So like, shit like that just made me mad watching that movie.
That's crazy, because that's like just a tiny bit of like scouting and research, and you learn that.
Yeah.
That might be like one of the first 10 things you learn about that track.
Right. Yeah, I mean, Talladega, you could go so fast on the track, they have to restrict the car speeds. Actually, the cars could probably hit 230 going around that track unrestricted. Woo! But they bring it down to 200 because it's too fast. Yeah, you got to bring up your handlebars a little more. This should be slightly angled here, so when your hand is there, it just feels natural. Like those little things, man, it will make your bike feel 100% different. Angling this a little this way, bringing the seat that way, all those little things, it's like a brand new bike you're on. Couple.
You're a fucking rat head, bro.
Alright, these cars still coming. Yo, cars be doing like 60 out here.
Yeah?
Yeah. I see people ride their bike here, I'm like, you crazy, man. Like, I would go on the sidewalk. I'll risk getting the ticket.
Alright, later, man.
Later.